Right, so today, on the way to Hill and Ditch. It's a Sunday, usually have it on at least one Sunday a month. It's in Mouldsworth, so it's like a quarry. It's quite a small place, but it's dead good fun. Quite a lot of water there as well this time of year. What I'm going to do is just going to get a few clips, just put them together, maybe have a chat to you like halfway through. I'm not spending loads of time there today because we've got a lot of jobs to do when I get back, but yeah, I'll catch you with some clips now. So as you've seen, we had a right good laugh today. Sent it quite hard to be fair, so I'm surprised nothing's wrong with it. It's actually fucking mint, exactly how we took it. Just took it to a car wash, paid 20 quid to have it washed. It's like, oh, I don't know whether we can do this. But no, it absolutely mint, absolutely mint. So yeah, it was a good day out. I'd recommend it to anyone. It's like £30 for the day, 10 till 4. So yeah, you want to get on that. If you like the content, just like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Road to 1,000 subs. Catch you in a bit.